Girls, I hope you have done the homework, which was a repetition of the classwork. Are you able to follow the class, children? Until you practice, you cannot follow the class, children. I'm sorry to say that most of the 9A students never submit the assignment homework. It is your duty, children, to submit your assignment whenever the work is given. We are noting down the names of the girls who are not submitting the work on time. When time is given to you, see that you finish your work, children, and please submit the work on time. Today's class, we continue with exercise 4.3, and all of you open your textbooks to page number 75 and look at the 8th sum. In countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts the Fahrenheit to Celsius. F is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. In countries like US and Canada, for them the temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. But in our country, that is India, it is measured in Celsius. They have given you the linear equation, children, page 75, 8th sum. The equation is F is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. F is Fahrenheit, C is centigrade. Now the only thing is get values for centigrade, children, and get the values for EF. Draw the graph of the linear equation using Celsius for x-axis and Fahrenheit for y-axis. 9 by 5c give in the terms where 5 can cancel c. F is equal to 9 by 50 plus 32. All of you know what is 9 by 5 into 0 plus 32, that is equal to 32. So the first pair for you is 0, 32. Second one, C is equal to 5. F is equal to 9 by 5 into 5 plus 32. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 9 plus 32 is equal to 41. I am giving only multiples of 5, children. Why? Because your denominator is 5. C is equal to minus 10. F is equal to 9 by 5 into minus 10 plus 32. 5 divides 10 2 times, minus 18 plus 32 is equal to 14. I think you would have followed, children. The second pair for you is 5 and 41, and the third pair is minus 10, 14. An equation where the Fahrenheit is converted. The Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. In US and Canada, they follow the Fahrenheit scale, and in our country, that is India, we follow the centigrade scale. The equation is F is equal to 9 by 5c plus 32. Give values as the denominator is 5. Give multiples of 5 so that the cancellation is easy. The first value, C, is equal to 0. 9 by 5 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 32 is 32. The first pair is 0, 32. Second one, I have taken C is equal to 5, children. F is equal to 9 by 5 into 5 plus 32. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. 9 plus 32 is equal to 41. And the third one, C equal to minus 10. F is equal to 9 by 5 into minus 10. Minus 18 plus 32 is equal to 14. And please put the values in the box. They have mentioned clearly take Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. The first pair is 0, 32. The second pair is 5 and 41. And the third pair, children, minus 10, 14. As usual, divide the graph page into two parts, that is x-axis and y-axis. X and y-axis. All of you know the division. To the left of 0, x is positive. To the left of 0, x is negative. To the right of 0, x is positive. Above 0, y is positive, and below 0, y is negative. On x-axis, children, you can take 5, 10, 15, 20. This is Celsius, children, on x-axis, and on y-axis, we are taking the Fahrenheit. On y-axis, we are taking Fahrenheit. 15 minus 20, and on y-axis, children, take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Below y-axis 0, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50, minus 60, minus 70, minus 80, minus 90. The division is done on both x and y axis, and now plot the points, children. The first set for you is 0 on x axis, 32 on y axis. 0 on x axis, 32 on y axis. Second pair, children, 5 and 41. 5 on x axis, 41 on y axis. Third pair, children, minus 10 and 14. Minus 10, 14. We have plotted three sets, children. Now take your ruler, join the points. It should be a straight line, children. Why? Because the graph of the linear equation is a straight line. We have drawn the graph. 0, 32, 5, 41, minus 10 and 14. The equation is f equal to 9 by 5c plus 32, and your graph is a straight line. And now we are going to answer the questions that are given in the answer the questions given below, children. Look carefully. First question. Draw the graph of the linear equation using Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. That is over. Third question, second question, children. If the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, if the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit scale? If the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, at 30, draw a line touching the x-axis. The same line should be extended to y-axis. Temperature at 30 degrees centigrade, temperature at 30 degrees centigrade, and see the corresponding value for Fahrenheit. First bit, children. When from graph, if C is equal to 30 degrees centigrade, F F is equal to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Second one, if F is equal to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, if T is equal to what is the temperature in Celsius at 95 degrees Fahrenheit? From 95, draw a line from y-axis, children. See the corresponding value for x-axis. I got 50 degrees centigrade. T is equal to 50 degrees centigrade. At 95 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the temperature at Celsius? Fourth bit, children, at 0 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? On x-axis, 0. The graph is touching the y-axis, the line is touching the y-axis at what temperature? Yes, if T is equal to 0 degrees centigrade, then temperature is equal to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And next, if temperature is 0 degrees Fahrenheit, the graph touches at what temperature? The graph touches at minus 18 degrees centigrade. Third bit, at what temperature? A temperature which is numerically the same in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. In what temperature both are at the same. That means both the x-axis and y-axis, they will touch at minus 40 degrees centigrade and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Fifth bit, children, at minus 40 degrees centigrade and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature is numerically equal. Yes, we have done the graph, girls. I think you have followed the first step, plotting of the points. Now coming to answering the question, children. First question, draw the graph. Second question, my graph on the board and your values are not the same, children. Mine is only an approximate graph, but your values will be correct. At 30 degrees centigrade, see the temperature in Fahrenheit scale. Second, when the temperature is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? Third bit, at 0 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 0 degrees centigrade, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, at 0 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the temperature? It is 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees centigrade. Coming to the last, is there a temperature where both are numerically equal? Minus 40 degrees centigrade and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature is numerically equal. Minus 40 degrees centigrade and minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the temperature is numerically equal. I think you have followed, girls. equations. The next topic for you is equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Equations of lines parallel to x and y-axis. You are given a linear equation, children. Yes. Give the geometric representation of y is equal to minus 5 as an equation in one variable and second bit is in two variables, in one variable and in two variables. Give the geometric representation of y is equal to minus 5 as an equation in one variable. In one variable means, children, on the number line. One variable means, where will you write? Represent on the number line. In two variables means in the Cartesian plane or in the coordinate system. Don't get confused. Get the geometric representation of y is equal to minus 5 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. Simple, girls, you know, number line. Y is equal to minus 5. Just draw the number line. All of you know the division of the number line. To the left of 0, negative. To the right of 0, positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple, girls. Where is minus 5 on y-axis? Where is minus 5 on y-axis? That's all. Just plot the point and write. Yes. Y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5. Second one, I think you have followed, girls. In one variable means on the number line. In two variables means in the Cartesian plane. In the Cartesian plane. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, x dash, y dash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Don't forget the scale, children. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on x and y axis. Where is minus 5 on x axis, y axis, children? This is the line. Y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5. Now, when y is equal to minus 5, children, an equation in y is a line parallel to x-axis. An equation in x will be a line parallel to y-axis. Y is equal to minus 5. You can plot some points, children. 2, 5. Y value is standard, girls. 4, minus 5. 3, minus 5. 5, minus 5. If the equation in y, it is a line parallel to x-axis. Second question. Second question. Give the geometric representation of 2y is equal to minus 7 as an equation in one variable, as an equation in two variables. In two variables, solve the equation. 2x is equal to minus 7. X is equal to minus 7 by 2, that is equal to minus 3.5. Where is minus 3.5 on x-axis, children? So this is the line parallel to which axis? Y-axis. Write the equation on the line, children. 2x is equal to minus 7. Yes, when the equation is x equal to, it is a line parallel to which axis? Y-axis. Minus 3.5 comma 1. You can take some points, children. Minus 3.5 comma 3. Minus 3.5 comma 0. Minus 3.5 comma minus 3. Solve the equation. Solve for x. Plot that point on x-axis only, children. Why? Because this is x is equal to. And when you draw an equation in x, children, it is a line parallel to y-axis. X is fixed. Y can change. The second one for you will be one variable. In one variable. In one variable. In one variable means, I told you, no, you have to represent on the Cartesian, on the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, x minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and what is x equal to? Minus 3.5. X is equal to minus 3.5. I think you have followed, girls. Now this is how to represent equations of lines parallel to x and y axis. Note down the homework. Page number 77, exercise 4.4, and page number 75, 7,8. Do these sums for homework, children. Any news?